Dear students, parents and relatives, professors, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very sorry that I could not deliver a speech in Azerbaijani language. I will deliver a speech in English. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Lecter for inviting me to this wonderful occasion. I am greatly honored and privileged to be present at the 2014 graduation ceremony of Kafkas University, which is one of the most prestigious universities in Azerbaijan. Congratulations to all of you, graduates, parents, and faculty members. Dear graduates, you have successfully completed one chapter of life. Another new chapter is awaiting you. Dear parents, you have put so many dedication for the best for your children. I am sure you are happy to see your children graduate today. Today is your day too. Dear faculty members, how proud you must be to have guided and encouraged so many future hopes and talents for Azerbaijan. There is a saying in the Orient that teaching of talented students is the third biggest joy in the life of a gentleman. Dear graduates, let me touch on my personal experience. I went to the graduate school to seek a career at the university, but I gave up that graduate course to join the foreign service. At that time, I was very nervous. I was not sure whether my decision was right or not. I was not sure. I was worried about what was in store for us. Similarly, on this day of celebration, you may have doubts, uncertainties, even fears about the future. But don't worry, this is a part of life. As they said, fearless is not the absence of fear, but not letting fear get in your way. You have been preparing to do so. Please proceed with fearlessness and confidence. You have been preparing to do so for the last 4 years at this university, which you have been blessed to attend, which provided you with the best education. What you learned in university from your friends, from the professors, from the mentors will help you. Starting this new chapter in life, you are equipped with the talents, knowledge, values, and which will guide you through all challenges you may occur in the future. In the East, there is an old saying, try your best and be patient for the heaven's decision. However challenging, however many obstacles are thrown on your way, I am sure you can overcome them if you try your best. Dear graduates, Azerbaijan is a youthful country full of passion. It is not long ago when it reached adulthood, but it is now realizing its full potential as a full-grown member of international community. I have no doubt today's graduates will play a key role in Azerbaijani society one day. Azerbaijan, a respectable middle power nation with a 9 million plus population, will soon join developed economies by diversifying its industries. At this critical juncture, it is you that will continue this great achievement of the past generation who made modern Azerbaijan possible. I can see in your eyes the bright future, not only for your personal life, but also for Azerbaijan. I wish you all the success in your future endeavors. Thank you.